Hello everyone, welcome to ReTwisst channel. Today I will describe you how to make 4 simple keychains with macrame with just a square knot. Firstly, we will make this model. So I will use 4mm ReTwisst Macrame rope and I need a keychain, a clip and a scissors. So let's get started. Firstly, cut 2 pieces of 150 centimeters ropes and then fasten the ropes to keychain clip in this way. Yes, that's ready. And the second one in this way, and inside loop and pull the ropes. Now take the right rope and put it on the middle ropes in this way. Then pass the left rope behind middle ropes and this way. Then pass the left ropes inside the gap of the right rope. Now pull the ropes. Yes, it's ready. Make the same knot by starting left rope. This is square knot. And continue making this knot until end of the ropes. I made 10 knots and finally cut the remaining ropes of keychain here. The keychain is ready. The second keychain model is this. We will make only square knots in this model too. We have just learned the square knot, so let's get started. The second one. Cut 2 pieces of 150 centimeters ropes and fasten them to keychain clip and make a square knot. There is an important point in here. Make the knots in the same directions. I will make them in the right. The knots are turning. You can see. Make the knots until the end of the ropes. I have completed the keychain and now cut the remaining ropes. The second model is ready. This is the third one. We will use 3mm ReTwisst Macrame string. So cut the 4 pieces of 150 centimeters ropes. Fasten them to keychain clip and make a normal square knot from the first 2 up to length you want. And then make the same process for the other 2 ropes. Now we will braid them in this way. And take the rope and wrap this. Yes, it's ready. If you want, you can comb the keychains. It's ready. Now we are on the fourth keychain. We will 3mm ReTwisst Macrame string. Cut a rope in length of 4 centimeters. This rope is a body keychains. And cut one more rope in length of 130 centimeters. Fasten the body rope to keychain. Take the other rope and pass it behind the body. Then a square knot more, but this time leave just a little space here.
And uh-oh.
Continue making square knots. Leave space between every square knot. But each time the space should be a little bit bigger. Continue making this knot up to length you want. I have finished it here and I made 5 square knots, and then I will cut remaining ropes here and comb this way. This keychain is like a Christmas tree. It's ready. Our keychains are ready, and thank you for watching my video, and I wish you happy knitting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and goodbye.